welcome geometry students to class today on this Friday the 14th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to go over some math today. Let's quickly look at today's announcements like we do every day, and we will go ahead and get started. Here we go. Please pay close attention. We will have a test next week. It's not going to be on Friday, but that's incorrect, but we will have a test next week. Moving on, you have nothing to turn in today. Incompletes. Let's take a look at the incompletes real quick. I'm not going to read all of these. I'll just scan down through here. Test corrections, Jordan. The assignment from last Thursday, Jaden. Quiz number 7. Now, these are important right here. If you don't take these quizzes today, these will turn to zeros. Now, if you've taken them already, I have yet to grade them, then just ignore this, okay? So, Anna, Libby, or Katie, if you've taken the quiz already, just ignore it, okay? And then down here, Brandon and Jaden, I did not get your homework from last Friday. So guys, all of these will turn to zeros if they're not turned in before the day's over today. Let's continue on. If you miss a day of class, it is your job to go to this and watch the video. When you walk into class, if we're taking a test or a quiz, you will take it because it was your job to be caught up unless you have pre-contacted me about that. Okay, we'll have our schedule for today as a quiz, then we'll finish the video from yesterday, and then we'll do homework today in class. Here's the homework for today. Go ahead and copy that down. I'll pause a second while you do that. Please copy down the homework. And then moving on, there are a lot of proofs in this assignment, so please use the help video all that you need to. I would advise Mr. Hamill to have the video downloaded and ready to roll for when you have questions, but that is totally his decision to make, okay? The help video, like usual, is called Lesson 5.5 Homework. Lesson 5.5 Homework. And I want to quickly address the pop quiz yesterday. Now, hopefully I got you guys' attention, okay? And first of all, congrats to Anna and Libby. They both got 100s. Now, Anna and Libby, don't be upset, okay? I'm trying to slowly get students' attention in the class, okay? Whatever I have to do that, I will do that. So I did count this as a homework assignment. Just to start off easy and to let you guys know I'm going to be quizzing you on your notes, okay? And to be honest with you, I might count it for homework or all the time. I don't know yet what I'm going to do. But this one here, I count it as a homework assignment, okay? And guys, take notes every day. I'm going to try something else. I know Jordan mentioned on his that he was out in the restroom, I believe, during notes. Listen to me, guys. I'm leaning toward it. Mr. Hamill, don't think I'm undermining your authority, please. I would not do that at all. But I've learned that if I can lose a little battle to win the war, I will do that. And so to me, if I can just say to Jordan Long, hey, Jordan, it's fine, no problem, and then say this to the whole class, guys, I don't care if you're at home, if you're in the restroom, if you're getting a drink, if Coach Robinson calls you out in the hallway, it is your job to go home that night and find the notes that you missed. So that excuse, or not excuse, that reason will not work the next time for any student, okay? So this time it's fine, but from now on, you understand where I'm coming from, guys. And it really comes down to responsibility and hard work, doing what you don't want to do. I mean, most of you probably don't like geometry, and I understand that. But you've got to do what you're supposed to do well in the class, or you're not going to do well in the class. So from now on, now I make exceptions. For example, of all people, it was actually Jordan's brother Cody contacted me before today and said, or early this morning, and said I've been out sick, and so I don't want to take the test today because his class done the test. I said no problem. He pre-contacted me and let me know of a situation, and plus I got an email from his dad earlier that night telling me the same thing. So that's fine. What I don't go for is when you come in and say, oh, here's why I didn't do something. It's too late then, okay? What that tells me is you just forgot to watch the video. So guys, from now on, there'll be no excuses for the notes. If you step out of the classroom, it's your job that night to watch the video and get caught up, okay? So I hope it's pretty clear, okay? And but anyways, I did count it for a homework assignment, so it's not going to kill you guys. But next time it could very well be a quiz. My only hesitation on that is I don't want to give 100s for quizzes so easily. But at the same time, if it helps you take notes, I might do that. Go ahead at this time and pause the video pass out the quizzes, and then restart the video when everyone has a quiz on their desk. Okay, let's go over your quizzes. Now, numbers 1, 2, and 3 are obviously fill in the blank. And I told you those would be on there. Hopefully you study those, okay? So fill in the blank with the correct word for numbers 1 through 3. Now, I know I skipped number 4. That's because I cut and pasted these problems out of your textbook, and so they started with number 5, so that's fine. So 5 through 8, or 5 through 10, I believe it is. Guys, please look down below. All that I want you to do, notice there's a blank number 5 at the bottom. In that blank for number 5, you will put not enough information, or you will put SSS, or SAS, or ASA, or AAS, or HL. Okay? If you feel there's not enough information to state that the triangles are congruent, then put not enough information. If you feel like there is enough information to know for sure they're congruent, then tell me what method you use to know that. Okay? So pretty simple. And if you have any questions, I'm sure Mr. Hamill can help you with that, okay? All right, guys, have a good day. Have a good weekend. I look forward to watching you guys play some ball tonight, those that are on the team. And I hope that goes well for you guys. And contact me if you have any questions.